If you are troubled by puffiness under your eyes or swelling on your face, this information is for you. Puffy eyes or under-eye swelling can make a person look older and tired, even if they are well rested. This condition is known as edema, which means swelling or fluid retention in certain areas of the body. It occurs when excess fluid accumulates in the cells and the spaces between them, known as the interstitial space. This problem is quite common. However, the concern is that this excess fluid is not just accumulating around your eyes and face, but also in your heart, liver, legs, and other parts of your body. One of the reasons behind this is a low-protein diet. When you consume less protein, the water in your blood vessels starts moving into the body's cells, leading to edema. There are two types of edema: idiopathic edema. This is when the cause is unknown. A person may have swelling, but their heart, liver, and kidneys are functioning properly. Yet, the swelling persists. Pathological edema. This is caused by underlying diseases such as liver damage, liver cirrhosis, heart problems, kidney issues, or diabetes. In such cases, fluid retention can be observed in the abdomen, legs, ankles, and even hands. In severe cases, fingers may swell to the extent that rings get stuck, and joints may become stiff. Congestive heart failure is another cause in which the heart is unable to pump blood efficiently, causing fluid to accumulate in body tissues. Diuretics are often used to treat edema, but it is important to understand the underlying cause. One major factor is a high carbohydrate diet. Refined carbohydrates such as flour and sugar contribute significantly to fluid retention. On average, a person consumes around 400 to 500 grams of carbohydrates daily. Each gram of carbohydrate holds approximately 3 grams of water in the body, causing the muscles, liver, and surrounding tissues to retain water. Consuming snacks and fruits frequently throughout the day also spikes insulin levels, contributing to fluid retention. Even a single apple contains about 19 grams of sugar. Consuming such high amounts of carbs leads to water retention, inflammation, and swelling. Furthermore, a high-carb diet causes sodium retention in the body. Sodium attracts water, leading to increased fluid retention. When sodium levels are high, potassium levels decrease. Potassium helps remove excess water from the body, so a lack of it exacerbates swelling. The average human body requires about 4,700 milligrams of potassium daily, but most people fail to meet this requirement. Historically, humans used to consume around 11,000 milligrams of potassium daily because their diets consisted of fresh vegetables, nuts, seeds, and unprocessed foods. To reduce fluid retention and swelling, reduce your carbohydrate intake to around 50 grams per day. Increase potassium intake through vegetables, lentils, eggs, and meat. Eat a large bowl of salad with your meals. Avoid processed and refined foods like sugar and white flour. Maintain a balanced intake of protein. This swelling under your eyes or on your face is not just a cosmetic issue, but a signal from your body regarding your internal health. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Thank you.